I am a reverse migration consultant. That's what most of my friends and colleagues say to me these days, and I can relate. I hold immigration consultant designation in Canada, but the way world is moving, when I genuinely advise people, it goes to the way that you can move back to your home country and do this and that, etc. In general, everyone talks about going abroad for better opportunities, but some of the smartest founders I know are quietly doing the opposite. They're going back home and building bigger from there. With recession headlines and confusion everywhere, this sounds counterintuitive. Let me share why reverse migration can actually be a massive advantage if you design it well. Reason 1: lower burn, longer runway. In many home countries, your cost of living and cost of talent is dramatically lower than in places like Canada, the US, or Europe. Your savings or first small round suddenly stretches 2, 3 times longer. More runway means more experiments, which usually means a higher chance of building something meaningful. Reason 2: global clients, local operations. You don't have to choose between local and global anymore. You can keep operations, team, life where the math works and still serve premium clients in North America, Europe, or the Middle East. That geo-arbitrage, global revenue, efficient base is how many founders quietly build serious wealth. Reason 3: insider context and credibility. In your home market, you deeply understand the culture, language, and the pain points. You can spot opportunities an outsider will need years to even see. Combine that with global standards, AI leverage, and remote work, and you effectively create a borderless career or business. If you are at that crossroads, stay abroad or move back or design a borderless setup between India, Canada, or any other country and beyond, this is exactly where my work in immigration, real estate, and AI driven business overlaps. You'll find a link below to book a private strategy call if you want to map out your next 3 to 5 years properly so that you can make a decision for your migration or actually reverse migration. Not just that, actually, a decision on how to leverage your skills and exposure to build an AI powered business which you can run without moving borders to enjoy the life and family time in real. And if your journey is one that other founders should learn from, you can also connect with me for a sport on the Real with Ritesh podcast. Let's bring that to the spotlight.